Hello everyone, this is Mr. E and today's lesson is about prime factorization. Specifically, we want to find the unique prime factorization for a whole number. Our first example is the prime factorization of 12, which is 2 times 2 times 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so basically prime factorization means we're going to express a number using only its prime factors. And remember that 1, the number 1, is neither prime nor composite, so don't use it in your prime factorization. Let's get started. So our first example is to find the prime factorization of 48. I need you to take notes on the first few, and then you're going to do some practicing on your own. So we can divide 48 by 2. 2 times 24 is 48. 2 is a factor of 48. We can also divide 24 by 2. That means that 2 is a factor of 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. I'm going to use 3 this time. 3 is a prime number. 24 divided by 3 is 4. 3 is a factor of 12. And finally, 2 is a factor of 4. That should be 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the prime factorization of 48, I'm going to circle all my prime factors here. The prime factorization of 48 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. I've expressed 48 using only its prime factors. Example number 2. Let's find the prime factorization of 165. Again, I'll do this one with you. 5 is a factor of 165. The reason I know that is because any number that ends in a 5 or 0, I know is divisible or can be divided by 5 evenly. 5 times 33 is 165. I can divide 33 by 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. 11 is a prime number, so I'm done. The prime factorization of 165 is 3 times 5 times 11. Okay, so how can we use this prime factorization? Well, let's say we wanted to simplify a fraction 45 1/44. Well, we can find the prime factorization of each number and then find a common factor. So the prime factorization of 45, 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 3 is 9. Prime, prime, prime. So the prime factorization of 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. Let's find the prime factorization of 144. 2 times 72. 9 times 8. We can we can find prime factors of 9, which is 3 times 3. And also 8 is 2 times 4. We're not quite done yet. We have prime, 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 and prime. And the factors of 4 are 2 and 2. So our prime factorization of 144 is 2 times 2 times 2. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 3 times 3. But what's common? What's the same in both is 3 times 3. So the common factor of 45 and 144 is 9. So we can simplify 45 1/44 by 9. And we get, 5/16. All right. We're at 4.5 minutes. Let's do a couple more here. So I'll go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find the prime factorization of each whole number. Now I'll come back and go over the answers with you. Okay, I hope you pause the video and try it. Let's go through them and see what we got. We can divide 44 by 2. 2 times 22 is 44. We can divide 22 by 2. 2 times 11 is 22. So the prime factorization of 44, thinking of the last problem, 44 is 2 times 2 times 11. 125, again, if it ends in a 5 or a 0, which we'll see in divisibility rules, we can divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So our prime factorization of 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. And the last one will break these lessons up. The prime factorization of 85, again, I have a 5 in ones place, so I can divide by 5, and 5 is prime, so we're good. 5 times 17 is 85, and 17 is also prime, so our prime factorization of 85 is 5 times 17. Okay, we're at about 6 minutes now, so we're going to stop this video, and I'll finish up the lesson in the next video. So you can go ahead and work on those problems, and I'll come back and go through them with you.